Hello, YouTube. Yeah, I got the wobbly camera again. I gotta build another base or something. Or I gotta buy a professional mic stand that doesn't freaking wobble because these things are cheap, but they do the job. So, yeah, anyway, I hear that it's Toolbox Tuesday on YouTube. So, my first thing I got for Toolbox Tuesday is look, there's a toolbox, and I'm gonna put this out on Tuesday. We'll pretend it's Tuesday night. There's one Craftsman toolbox. There's another Craftsman toolbox. Top, bottom, toolbox Tuesday. But since people are opening drawers up and they're calling it Toolbox Tuesday when it's really like Tool Drawer Tuesday, it could be. I would prefer people call it Tool Horror Tuesday because if you got this many tools, you're obviously a tool whore. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna show you one of my drawers that is completely weird that I picked up at a flea market, and here it is. This is the top drawer of my toolbox here. This, first of all, these I did a video of. They're just the I had no place to put them, so I put them in here. They're cleaning brushes, but if you look in here, I have another cleaning brush. I have medical grade tweezers. I have a laparoscopic surgery thing. See this little thing here? Crunchy. See that little thing? I don't know if you can see it better over here. There we go. I paid like $2 or $3 for these laparoscopic surgery. I went to the flea market one day and the guy was selling medical tools. And who the hell doesn't want old medical tools? I mean, they were clean. There was no blood stains on them. I have my, if you can't find it, just, here. Put it in the red part. There we go. There's that. There's like weird shaped tweezers. These are really cool. These are miniature laparoscopic. Check this out. These are scissors, and they're like this long. This one is a laparoscopic. This too is got scissors on it. You can stick it in someone's belly and cut up their intestines if you want. I also have giant tweezers. Can't go wrong with stainless steel tweezers. This one here. This is actually a medical grade little, where is it? Grabby tool? I don't know, like maybe you grab gauze or something inside people. This is a surgical grade pair of, I should hold them this way. A surgical grade pair of pliers. Like, I guess it'd be like the equivalent of to, what do you call it? Hospital job, vice grips. This, I mean, look at this shit. I looked online and these things are like $200-$300 each. I paid like, I don't know. If you look on the end here, there's a little like blade that just if you look right over here, tip my finger, there's a blade that goes back and forth. I'm guessing, somebody had their organs cut off with that. Some weird, kind of like nipple piercing tweezers or whatever. There's, ouch, what was that? I hit something sharp here. Oh, it's the lock I cut off. Got more tweezers. One of them's gold plated. This one has if you see it right here, I'll put it in my hand here. See the crunchy? There's a sharp blade in here. You can see it, but it's like that, see? Has little, it's got, this damn thing is precision, man. Like this thing is made, what, gold plated handle? I mean, it's probably not working, but I mean, I use these stupid things when you lose something just to grab onto it. Like, they're pretty cool. I got tweezers, more tweezers, medical scissors, and all kinds of shit. So you like, your average pair of tweezers. These little hospital version, I don't know if you can see this. There's like a little, like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little like spike in the end here. And they kind of just pinch onto each other. I got a big set of clamps. So yeah. So for Tool Horror Tuesday, I got a little lamp in here too. It's a little Dremel thing here. I don't know if it still works. Let me see. Does it work? How the hell does it work? I don't know if you turn it or what. Let's see. Oh yeah, look. Whee, it works. Oh, sneak. little Dremel thing. But yeah, that's drawer number number one. It's in my old Craftsman. Let me move this back a little here. I have a Craftsman box right here. It has the drawers. The bottom one's a Craftsman. The thing about this bottom drawer here, like right here, the logo used to be over here, but the Craftsman logo slowly melted its way down, so I just ripped it off. Gotta put it back on. That's the only one that did that. I also have a, behind me, I bought another Craftsman box over there, another Craftsman box. And over on this side, around the corner where you can't see, there's another small one. So, so yeah, let me move this back here. What is this, a 5-minute tool horde Tuesday? Toolbox Tuesday? Yeah, so that's my this week, next week coming up, whenever the hell week. That's my contribution to Toolbox Tuesday. So, and if you don't like my toolbox, you know, it's Wayne Reynolds' fault. I hear he's getting blamed for everything. That's funny. Anyway, like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Click, leave comments, you know, leave googly eyes, leave middle fingers if you want. It's up to you. I mean, you don't have to like this shit. I mean, there's, 40 billion videos on YouTube? I like a lot of them. Some of them I think are really stupid, but hey, each to his own. Enjoy.